Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to share TikTok videos to Facebook Reels in just a few simple steps. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. You'll see the main feed with all the trending TikTok content. Navigate to the video you want to share to Facebook Reels. Tap the sharing button on the right side panel. It looks like an arrow. From the sharing options, select Download. This will download the TikTok video to your phone's gallery. Once the video is saved, minimize TikTok and open the Facebook app. On the Facebook homepage, tap the video icon at the top. You will land on the Reels page. Now, tap the camera icon to create a new reel. Facebook will open your gallery, select the TikTok video you just saved, preview the video, and if everything looks good, tap Next in the bottom right corner. On the posting page, you can add a caption or tags if you want. Then tap Share Now to post your reel. To verify it's posted, tap the menu bar on the top right, go to your profile, and scroll down. You'll see your TikTok video is now live as a Facebook Reel. And that's how you share TikTok videos to Facebook Reels. This is great for cross-posting content and reaching a wider audience on multiple platforms. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.